All right, it's day 2. I am still in my little cabin. Um, I woke up at like 9:30. I didn't sleep very well. I was all by myself, so that was new. Nothing really scary. I ate, did dishes, cleaned up, a little fire going again. Oh, where is it? Oh, there it is. But I looked outside and I saw it was snowing. So I thought it'd be a perfect time to do a little blogging for my kid. Let's go inside and look at the view. Keep the door shut because it's cold. Okay. Alright, let's look at the view. Ooh, it's so pretty. I can't believe it's snowing. Isn't that pretty? It's my little log cabin. Cute. Alright, let's see. It's cold. It's so nice. Oh, look at that steep drop into the mountains. So pretty. So nice. Oh, here. Okay, well, I didn't sleep very well, but overall it was alright. I a sleeping bag I bought was a Coleman, um, Coleman 15-0, and it kept me warm. It kept me warm. I was sweating halfway through the night, but I had stuff rummaging, little creature rummaging through my bag of food. So I went to go look. There was a little mouse. He got into one of my little Cliff Bars. So now I have to pay homage to the creatures. I pay homage to the mouse in the wall. You live and you learn. It's so pretty out. It is cold though. Whew. Yeah, not doing much today, obviously. It's so cold. It's so snowy, and I don't know, I was thinking about going for a walk, but I'd rather cuddle up in my bed and watch more videos or read a book or something. I don't know. Something interesting. Something where I want to just have some time to myself. That's what this whole thing is about. Having time for myself. Alright, well, Justin, hope you're interested. This is how life is out here. Peaceful. Bye, everyone.